So hey everyone, welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can test your monitor's motion blur and response time. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is to just simply open any of the browser you have. You can do the same steps from your smartphones as well if you want to test it for the smartphone's display. Now, just simply type testufo.com. Just simply go to the site and let's just wait for it to respond. Once it gets loaded, it will start a test that will tell you about the motion blur strength of your monitor, and also the response time, and the monitor's refresh rates as well. Once it gets loaded, it may take some time to respond depending upon your internet speed. And let's just, for example, refresh it. uh, Here we go. Here you can see the refresh rate and the response time and the motion blur strength of the monitor. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.